Hi guys, I am very excited and curious to talk to you, and I am happy because it is my first video on manifestation of law of attractions. And I hope you will learn so much about this. And I'm going to tell you how it works, what is this, what is it, and how we can achieve what we want in our life, what all the things that we need to do, and what are the things that we need to stop. We are going to become a different person from today onwards. Believe me, guys. From today onwards, you will change a little bit, or in your mind would be some thoughts that would be remember you. It would remember you all time, every moment that it is in your mind. Have stop your one sentences to remember my words. So, without taking much time, let me start. You know what? We didn't know before what is manifestation, what is law of attraction, but it always works. We know this or not, we know this or don't, but it works. And one more thing I want to tell you that knowingly or unknowingly, it works for always to us and help us. If we are thinking negative, we find the result negative. If we are thinking positive, we with feeling as well. If we are thinking with feeling positive, we get results positive. If we thinking negative with feelings, we get the result of that. So it is all in our hand. What all we want. We need to think and simultaneously we need to feel that things. For example, if I'm telling you I'm sad and I'm sad, so you can see that I'm smiling and I'm saying sad. It is not gonna work. And they would be manifesting, it would be stop in this, and it would be doubt that if you are happy, then why are you sad? You are telling sad, but you're feeling happy. If I said I'm happy, but I feel sadness and saying just happy, they will definitely stop. But when we say something that's I'm angry, and I'm looking angry, feeling angry, and thinking angry, then it will work. Or I would say I am curious and happy, great person, and feeling and amazing. I'm always ready to learn, to give my best. I let go things what I don't have in control in that. So you can assume my words and my postures, my words, my feelings, all up to the growth. I achieve that things. So we always say, we always have, a lot of times we have heard that watch your words. Sometimes in a day, our words become true. When it becomes true, you know this. When our feeling and thoughts and words come in alignment and connected with each other, then our words become true. What we want, we achieve that one. So always say to yourself best, best and best. What else we can do? If we are in a trouble, sad, it's okay. But what do you want in your life? You try to assume that it is gonna to pass, and what I want, what I'm feeling, it is gonna to come to me very soon. It's okay. So try to live life, both situation, and handle yourself the way you are. Don't take yourself the way you are thinking now. You will change after some time because emotions are not permanent. It always goes and come and go. They are not emotions. It comes and goes. We cannot stop it for a long time. Just in a minute it goes. We start thinking good. We start thinking bad. In a minute. So you can assume they are not emotions, and it is not going to live with us permanent. Okay. So always tell yourself that you are amazing, you are best, and you are going to attract this man. And start thinking, feeling awareness. If you want to become a successful person, try to feel. How would you behave? How would you feel? Or how would you respond? How would you walk? How would you talk? How would you take things? Would you discipline? Would you consistent about something? Or just you take something, anything, or you would procrastinate something? Maybe not, because when you have something, you are successful, you have responsibilities, you will take all things serious. So I'm telling you that take yourself serious and do your best always. You are gonna get onto your things that you want. So I'm telling you, act the way you want, the way you want in future. Start from today onwards. Talk like you have everything. Think and feel the way you have everything and start doing that things. I'm just here to memorize you that you have so much in your life that you can achieve in this world. We are magic, our body is magic, our mind is magic. We have so much power. We don't need to take anything from anybody. God have already given us so much. We don't need to take anything and one rupee from anybody. God have given us everything: food, money, respect, love, care. There is so much thing God has given us. There is no need to ask, take from anybody. We are powerful like God. God has made us like He is. And I can say that you are God, and because God is within you, and so I can say you are a potential. So don't need to ask anybody, don't need to beg them anything. You are fulfill of it. So you can fulfill your desire, you can achieve what you want, you can complete your wishes, you help others, because we say that we have so much caliber, powerful. There is no need to take serious another questions. We need to take serious ourselves. We can say that we are fulfilled and we are amazing. When we love ourselves, we respect ourselves, we care about ourselves, the way we are. If we are looking black, white, we are in good. We can say if we are minimum in something, it's okay. We can be good at something, and that thing as well. Just need to practice. Just need to focus on yourself. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself. Others things. Just compare yourself to yourself. What you want? If you want to become a person like this, you start doing that things. You can become. You have caliber to become. You don't need degrees. You don't need a high qualities family, the background. Don't need. You just need your support, your love, your care, your respect. That's a lot to it. When you connect with yourself, you achieve everything. And when you're looking outside to see, to love, to care, to support, for praise, you lose yourself. And when you lose yourself, you lose everything. Nothing you are achieving. So I would always suggest you focus on yourself, not others. What you have, it's okay what you have now, but it is not going to have with you all the time or future as well. You can achieve what you want. With gradually practice and focus and learning, you can achieve what you want. Thank you so much for listening and giving your precious time. I'm here always to inspire you and give you best in your life. The way I am, I always try my best. I always love myself. I respect myself the way I am. It is great for me that I have started loving and caring, respecting, and fulfilling my desires and becoming the successful, amazing, and respected person in my life, in my own eyes. That's a lot to me. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much.